How's it going, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brian, and today I want to do a beginner's guide to Webull. The reason for that is I've actually haven't seen one of those on YouTube, and I think it's very important, especially for people trying to, first of all, trying to understand stock. What do I buy? What price should I pay? Am I overpaying? When do I sell it? Do I take a profit now? When do I cut my losses? That side of investing, trading, that's complicated on its own, and future videos coming up to help you guys simplify the process on those type of things. What can make it even more complicated is not understanding what you're looking at on the screen. And today we are taking a look at Webull. Once again, a lot of people find it intimidating. I just have lines drawn out. It looks like gibberish. What is it exactly? Well, I'm gonna delete everything so we can start fresh. And basically with Webull, we want to start here on the charts. There are a couple of settings on the left on these tabs, which is your watch list, your stocks, your markets, screener, your trades, your account information, and then simulated paper trading. When you first open up Webull on the browser, most likely you're going to be automatically on the watch list, because if we click home on the Webull icon, it literally takes us to the watch list. Once you're here, you really don't you might be asking, okay, what am I looking at and what should I be looking at? But since this is a beginner's guide, we're going to keep it very basic, and I can already tell you guys that you won't be spending much time here. We are automatically started off with my positions, and when you open up a Webull account, they give you 2 free stocks. I believe right now they're giving 4 free stocks, and you can actually get those right now in the link in the description to guarantee those 4 stocks. I believe 2 are anywhere between the price range of $2 to $14, and then 2 can be worth all the way up to $1,200. So you really should go pick up those free stocks, free money. So you're going to be automatically on this page on the My Positions. It shows you the ticker symbol of the stock, the name of the company, a little visual graph of the movement of the day, the price that it's currently trading at, any movements pre or after hours, open, close, self-explanatory, more. But again, what's most important out of here, when you have all your stocks, you can go through them. What I like about this, if at the end of the day you want to check up on the news on your companies, it's filtered right here just for your stocks. Be updated if you're into knowing what's going on in the companies that you're investing. I just use it when I'm looking at hot stocks for trades. So my own stocks, these are the ones that I was given. As you can see, I don't I don't own that many stocks on Webull because I primarily use it for trading. I have a different brokerage account just for investing. Then these are my list of stocks that I have created, the stocks that I'm looking to trade that day. I change them in and out depending what's hot this week. My picks is just one of my watch lists, retail watch list, and I'm mimicking ARK Invest, so that's why I created this ARK Stonks watch list for myself, and it's great. Once again, like 33 minutes ago, investor alert. Okay, looking for large catalyst movements so I can trade off of them. But I'm really never on the watch list. I really create a watch list so then I can quickly switch stocks on the stocks channel right here. So as you can see on my watch list, I just go to my trading list, and then I can easily go in and out into stocks that I'm looking at: Neo, Canopy Growth, Apple, AMD. That's just for me, my positions. Okay, that's why I create the watch list for primarily to use it here. I don't really use my watch list, but that's what it is. That's what you're looking at. You can really overlook the watch list tab, but the powerhouse of Webull is literally the charts, because they are much more powerful. They are much more interactive. I'm not going to go into full detail on technical analysis and how to read the charts, other than we are looking at candlesticks here. And okay, if you don't, again, technical analysis is very important for you to understand this. Like, what does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? What am I looking at? Why are there dots on the screen? They're not dots, they're candlesticks. Further details on this in a future video, or else this video would be way too long. But just know that this is why you want to use Webull, because once you know how to read these charts, you can look at where we're going, where stocks are going. They tell you a story, and this is what I really like about Webull compared to Robinhood. Besides that, they charge no fees for trading and for investing. These charts are very powerful. They give us everything you would need to do technical analysis. We can change the way we look at the chart. The advanced way is the candles, but if you want to keep it simple, lines. But this really does not tell you anything. And we're not switching over from one very basic brokerage, aka Robinhood, to Webull to just look at lines. We're here to take advantage of the powerhouse. So I would quickly switch the line style to the candles, and again, watch that video on how to read charts. Here we can open the tab all the way in the right corner, which gives us the full details of the current stock that we're looking at. Right now we're looking at SPY, the price tag that it's the price that it's trading at, the dollar amount of change today, the percentage change after and pre-market hours. Any big news, any headlines always shows up here right away. And the cool thing about this is we can switch, add more details or remove details. If you don't care about the key statistics of the stock, you can just remove it. Less clutter. I don't really care about the quick chart of the day, I'll remove it. This to me is very important, the times and sales, the tick by tick. So I like to use this. And if you're very much into trading stocks, this is very powerful that Webull allows you to do. Let's say I want to buy 2 stocks of SPY for the current price of 369 with 85 cents. Okay, and I want to quickly take a profit afterwards, sell it right away at 370, so I can make 15 cents profit. You can do that right there by placing the order right there. And I want to buy it. So very simple. This is very powerful because you could be looking at the chart in the 1 minute time frame, looking at what's going on. Okay, we're about to bounce back. We're about to bounce up. Let me take a buying position. Quickly buy, quickly sell. Okay, sell. Everything's right here. More information at the bottom of the company. Any news related to it. Performance wise, I guess. I don't really use this myself. An overview of order flow. Options, to trade options. This is why I really love Webull, and we will go into options on Webull in Webull for advanced people to explain what you're looking at here, the expiration dates, how many prices do you want to see, your strike prices, what does this mean, how you can customize it. This will be in the next video on options, all dedicated towards it. But that's the overview of stocks. Again, very powerful. It looks very basic and simple. And yes, it is once you get the hang of it. Once you know what you're looking at on the chart, once you're able to read what's going on with the stock, you can quickly, take your buying, your selling positions. In the advanced version, in the advanced video, like I said, we'll go into detail of the options, how to quickly take option trade. Next up, we have markets, which is just more stock information, top gainers of today, top losers, most active, hot rank. You can really find new stocks here also. Webull gives you a lot of information, not just in the United States. You can see the Hong Kong market, the global market, an overview, the cryptos, and yes, you can trade cryptos on Webull also. It's the exact same way of buying and selling a stock, only that you aren't owning the actual crypto. It's just it mimics the representation of crypto. So if you want to own real Bitcoin, real crypto, you're gonna have to get a wallet, and that's a whole another rabbit hole you're gonna have to go down. The screener, another great way to find stocks, customizing these specifications that you're looking into. If you want a particular stock with a market cap size in your range of fundamental analysis, you can do all that here. This, I would say, is pretty advanced if you're looking for your own stocks. A lot of people tend to just go in chat groups and ask what's hot, and they follow what's hot. Trade, this is supposedly an advanced version of having everything on the screen, but I don't really like it. I really don't. Instead of using the trade tab, I really use much more the stocks tab because it's much cleaner, much more information. As you can see, the charts are most important to me. So to have the charts in a little corner, that's just not helpful. I don't care about my other positions. That's why I carry no positions. So I can just dedicate this account to trading. Here, your order flow of what you have going on. Maybe you have pending orders to buy, pending orders to sell. It'll all be here. Quickly make transactions here. Tick by tick sales right here. Self-explanatory. Basically all the tabs in one tab, right? Funny enough. Not the best trading. Next we have account, which here, oh, whoa, I have so much money. Let's hide all that information. Here we can see an overview of my account. It's really great. I really like it. Net assets. Daily P&L. I've been on a losing streak, but that's okay. It's okay. It's part of the plan. It's part of the plan. You know, I can take it. I'm in it to win it. Your transactions on account details. What were your last things? This is great to reflect on trades. You know, see what you did right, what you did wrong. This is very helpful for keeping all that information and then going back to again review it, especially if you're a trader. This will keep all your history of all your trades, your balances at the end of the day. Did you make money? Did you lose money? What'd you trade? And then you can go into get your tax information, statements, print out stuff. Options trading, to apply for it right there, you click on options trading. To trade crypto, which you have to apply for it, you click right here and it takes you to these application pages, which is very easy to pass. And last but not least is paper trading. If you're new to trading, I really suggest paper trading on Webull. As you can see, I paper traded EV stocks and I almost got 100% ROI. And this has been going on for 2 months, I believe. When did I start this challenge? Oh wow, it's been a good while actually, year to date. When I started in July 23rd. July 23rd is when I started this challenge, and we took this paper trading account all the way double, a little bit under. We went over 250,000. Damn, we should have cashed out there, right? But this is paper trading. A lot of the format is also like your account. As you can see, net assets, daily P&L on my account balance, on the paper trading balance account, you can see that all here. Very, very helpful and useful to trade without using real money. That's such a big plus, especially if you're new to trading. So Webull is very powerful, but as a beginner's guide, this is just your whole paper trading account. And then you click on this tab. Within this tab, you're still in the paper trading tab, and you click on this main tab, and this is the only spot where you can actually, you know, paper trade on this. You're not going to paper trade on stocks or on markets or on screener or on trade. All these are legitimately your account balance that you're going to be trading. Only on paper trading will you be trading paper money, and you can practice getting into a stock, getting out with the trade view. As you can see in the actual trade view, that's what you have to trade with in the paper. I'm not the best. To trade properly, you do want to look at the whole screen, but it is what it is. You can at least try to make it bigger and remove these ones that you wouldn't want to have, or like your orders. You can just make the screen bigger. It's customizable. Positions, doesn't matter. These are my actual positions. Why would I want them in my paper trading window? My P&L, okay, I can just click over here, so I would remove that. So I would have a little setup like this for paper trading, and then you know, we'll go into analyzing stock charts in another video, but once you understand the charts, then you can practice paper trading. I hope you enjoyed this very basic beginner's guide into Webull. If you have any specific questions on something you want to know, leave it down below in the comments. A lot of people don't want to switch to Webull because it does look intimidating, and they just really like the basic casino style view of Robinhood. Even on their web browser, It's very easy. All you do is just look at a simple line chart and decide then and there, okay, should I buy, should I sell, do I trade an option? But a lot of people lose money because they can't tell the whole story. Again, this line, even though it's nice and clean, and this could probably and this probably wants to give you a headache right here, all these little candlesticks, they want to give you a headache. This is much more powerful. This is much more, you can have so much more control, and especially with this the trading tab all the way at the right, you can enter and exit positions real fast with Webull, with Robinhood, as you know. Okay, I bought 2 shares. Oh no, sell my shares. And I've had, okay, I will say this, with Robinhood, I'm pretty upset that their system is so basic that sometimes you can't tell whether you're buying more or selling. And I've had instances where I've accidentally purchased more options, because I trade options. I purchase more options instead of selling my options, and then I lose money because I accidentally purchased instead of sold, because the buy and sell, you see how basic it is. It's just not that great. But subscribe for that future video, being able to read charts. That way we can go into further detail of, okay, this might happen, so let me get my order to buy 100 shares if you're going to trade shares, if you're going to trade options, okay, how to prepare yourself, my strategies for entering and exiting positions real fast, the advanced version of how to use Webull, with what does clicking this mean, and how can I use it to my advantage to make money trading stocks. Or, you know, if you're going to be investing in the long run, you want to do more technical analysis research and not just blindly purchase at a price tag that is showing you. You might want to know, oh gosh, we're over leveraged on this stock. It might tumble one of these days, and I'm actually buying high. And a lot of people, unfortunately, do that. They'll buy the stock, they bought high, and then they'll sell low, and then they're like, oh, I always sell. I always lose money in stocks. It's literally when I buy, it goes down. Well, you didn't know the full story. That's why chart reading is very important. So watch that video next. I hope you enjoyed this overview of Webull, because a lot of people won't even take the time to go look at the platform, because once again, they're on it. It looks too intimidating. It looks too gibberish, but no, it's much more powerful. It's much more beneficial for you as a trader, as an investor, once you can learn how to use a brokerage, a powerful brokerage, properly. Again, I'm gonna throw shade. Sorry, Robinhood, you're just too basic. I know you're nice and easy and you get people to invest and start, but you know, when you want to take it serious, either trading or investing, you gotta take the next step and learn technical analysis. You want a powerful brokerage to guide you through that. All right, guys, my name is Brian. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bottom Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.